What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the secrets of building a successful business. Today we're exploring a golden nugget of wisdom, the importance of professionalism in scoring referrals and repeat customers. So buckle up as we embark on this journey to make your business shine like a diamond. Imagine walking to a store where everyone greets you with a smile, knows exactly how to help, and makes you feel like the most important person in the world. That's professionalism in action. It's not just about wearing a suit or having a fancy office. It's about how you treat your customers and the quality of service you provide. Here's why professionalism wins. First, you build trust. When you're professional, customers trust you more. It's like when a friend keeps their promises. You just know you can count on them. And secondly, it creates a memorable experience. Professional service makes customers feel special, and they're more likely to remember and talk about your business. And number three, it encourages referrals. Happy customers are like cheerleaders for your business. They'll tell their friends, family, and even their pet goldfish about how great you are. And number four, it leads to repeat business. Customers will keep coming back if they know they'll receive top-notch service every time. It's like having a favorite ice cream shop where they always know your order. And this is how to be the most professional. Always be prepared. Know your products or services inside out. It's like being a superhero of your business world, ready to save the day with perfect solution for your customers. And then listen and learn. Pay close attention to what your customers say and what they don't say. Listening is a superpower that helps you understand and meet their needs better. And then keep your promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Keeping promises builds a strong foundation of trust and shows that you value your customers. And then go the extra mile. Surprise your customers by going above and beyond what they expect. Could be as simple as handwritten thank you note or a small freebie with their purchase. And then ask for feedback. Encourage your customers to share their thoughts on your service. Feedback is a treasure map that shows you where to improve and how to keep your customers happy. When you focus on being professional, it creates a ripple effect. Your customers feel valued and respected, which makes them more likely to refer others to your business. And when new customers experience your professionalism, they too become repeat customers and part of your referral army. So here's your professionalism action plan. First, evaluate your current level of professionalism. Take a good look at how you, and if you have a team, interact with customers. Is there room for improvement? Number two, set clear standards. Decide what professionalism means for your business, and make sure everyone on your team understands and follows these standards. Number three, train your team if you have one. Provide training and resources to help your team deliver exceptional service consistently. And number four, gather feedback as much as you can. Regularly ask your customers for feedback and use it to make improvements. And fifth, celebrate successes. When you or your team members do something awesome, celebrate it. This encourages more of the same great behavior. I personally research how I can look and sound better to benefit my business more. Always trying new ways to secure, repeat, and refer clients. It's a combination of what we talked about in this video and always improving. Beyond this, you also have to create good offers and rewards for your clients to help in this process. Professionalism is secret sauce that can make your business irresistible to customers. It's about creating positive experiences that lead to referrals and repeat business. By focusing on professionalism, you're not just making a sale, you're building a community of loyal customers who believe in what you do. So let's raise the bar and make professionalism a cornerstone of your business strategy. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. I'll see you next time.